Bonjour everyone, welcome back to Quebec French for Immigration Success. I'm Emily, and today we're learning something absolutely critical for your immigration journey: days, months, and telling time.
Bonjour, I'm Thomas, and I really need this lesson. I have to schedule my TEF exam, book appointments at Service Canada, and understand deadline dates for my immigration application.
Exactly. Time vocabulary is essential for your French exams and daily life in Quebec. You'll need it to understand appointment times, application deadlines, work schedules, everything. Let's start with the days of the week. Are you ready?
Ready.
Perfect. In French, the days of the week are: Monday is lundi. Repeat, lundi.
Lundi.
Tuesday is mardi. Say mardi.
Mardi.
Wednesday is mercredi. Try mercredi.
Mercredi.
Thursday is jeudi. Repeat, jeudi.
Jeudi.
Friday is vendredi. Say vendredi.
Vendredi.
Saturday is samedi. Try samedi.
Samedi.
And Sunday is dimanche. Repeat, dimanche.
Dimanche.
Excellent. Notice that all days except dimanche end in di. Let's practice all 7 together. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche.
Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche.
Très bien. Now, in French, days of the week are masculine, and we don't capitalize them like in English. When you want to say on Monday, you say lundi without any preposition. For example, mon rendez-vous est lundi. My appointment is Monday. Try mon rendez-vous est lundi.
Mon rendez-vous est lundi.
Perfect. Now, if you want to say on Mondays, meaning every Monday, you say le lundi. For example, je travaille le lundi. I work on Mondays. Try je travaille le lundi.
Je travaille le lundi.
Excellent. Now let's learn the months, because you'll need them for dates on your immigration forms. January is janvier. Repeat, janvier.
Janvier.
February is février. Say février.
Février.
March is mars. Try mars.
Mouse.
April is avril. Repeat, avril.
Avril.
May is May. Say May.
Mai.
June is juin. Try juin.
Juin.
July is juillet. Repeat, juillet.
Juillet.
August is août. This one is tricky. Say août.
Août.
September is septembre. Try septembre.
Septembre.
October is octobre. Say octobre.
Octobre.
November is novembre. Repeat, novembre.
Novembre.
And December is décembre. Try décembre.
Décembre.
Excellent. Let's practice all 12. Janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre, décembre.
Janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre, décembre.
Very good. Now, months are also masculine and not capitalized in French. When you want to say a date, you use le plus the number plus the month. For example, January 15th is le 15 janvier. Try le 15 janvier.
Le 15 janvier.
Perfect. If your immigration application deadline is March 30th, you say le 30 mars. Try le 30 mars.
Le 30 mars.
Excellent. Now, to ask what is the date today, we say quelle est la date aujourd'hui? Repeat. Quelle est la date aujourd'hui?
Quelle est la date aujourd'hui?
Good. And to answer, you say aujourd'hui, c'est le plus the date. Aujourd'hui means today. Try. Aujourd'hui, c'est le 10 novembre.
Aujourd'hui, c'est le 10 novembre.
Perfect. Now, let's learn some time expressions you'll need. Yesterday is hier. Say hier.
Hier.
Today is aujourd'hui. Repeat, aujourd'hui.
Aujourd'hui.
Tomorrow is demain. Try demain.
Demain.
This week is cette semaines. Say cette semaines.
Cette semaine.
Next week is la semaine prochaine. Try la semaine prochaine.
La semaine prochaine.
Excellent. These expressions are crucial for your immigration interviews. Now, let's learn to tell time because you need to understand appointment times. To ask, what time is it? We say, quelle heure est-il? Repeat, quelle heure est-il?
Quelle heure est-il?
Perfect. To answer, we say, il est plus the hour. For example, it is 3 o'clock is il est 3 heures. Heure means hours or o'clock. Try, il est 3 heures.
Il est 3 heures.
Good. For 1 o'clock, we use singular. Il est 1 heure. Try, il est 1 heure.
Il est 1 heure.
Perfect. Now, for minutes past the hour, we just add the number. 3:15 is il est 3h15. Try, il est 3h15.
Il est 3h15.
Excellent. Now, for 3:30, we can say il est 3h30 or il est 3h30. Et demi means and half. Try, il est 3h30.
Il est 3h30.
Very good. Now, for 3:45, we say il est 4h moins 15. Literally, it is 4 hours minus 15. Or, we can say il est 3h45. Try, il est 4h moins 15.
Il est 4h moins 15.
Perfect. Now, in Quebec, we use the 24-hour system for official times, like train schedules and government appointments. So, 2 p.m. is 14 heures, 14 hours. 5 p.m. is 17 heures, 17 hours. Try 17 heures.
17 heures.
Excellent. But in conversation, we often use 12-hour time, with du matin for AM, de l'après-midi for afternoon, and du soir for evening. For example, 9 a.m. is 9 heures du matin. Try 9 heures du matin.
9 heures du matin.
Good. 2 p.m. is 2 heures de l'après-midi. Try 2 heures de l'après-midi.
2 heures de l'après-midi.
Perfect. And 8 p.m. is 8 heures du soir. Try 8 heures du soir.
8 heures du soir.
Excellent. Now let's practice a realistic conversation. Imagine you're calling to schedule your TEF exam. I'll be the receptionist. Bonjour, centre d'examen. Comment puis-je vous aider?
Bonjour. I want to schedule my TEF exam. How do I say that?
You say, je voudrais réserver mon examen TEF. I would like to book my TEF exam. Try. Je voudrais réserver mon examen TEF.
Je voudrais réserver mon examen TEF.
Perfect. I'll ask, quel jour préférez-vous? What day do you prefer? You could say, je préfère mardi. I prefer Tuesday. Try it.
Je préfère mardi.
Excellent. Then I ask, à quelle heure? At what time? You could say, à 10 heures du matin, s'il vous plaît. At 10 a.m., please. Try it.
À 10 heures du matin, s'il vous plaît.
Parfait. See how useful this is. Now let's practice asking about appointment times. To ask, at what time is the appointment, you say, à quelle heure est le rendez-vous? Repeat, à quelle heure est le rendez-vous?